evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, March the 3rd. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It's a one box break, and we randomed up our 8 remaining box numbers. Number 1 is what we got. Random teams on the right. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, y'all. Gave y'all a chance to trade. No offers this time, no. Pop of the seal. Alrighty, guys. Well, we knew these had to come out at some point, guys. Bam. That is going to be the Sean Young Laces Out Finkel jersey. For the Ace Ventura spot, guys. Actually got a nice big bold sig with the laces out there as well. New Orleans gonna get the WSD golden ticket. Horror is gonna get, man, having a lot of repeat teams tonight, man. Again. Horror gonna get the freebie on that one. Well, dog, I'm sorry, man. Everybody else there, guys. Dog, gonna be our hit on the WSD. Told you, dog, it's been a weird series for little mini streaks, man. Going to be the Finkel Laces Out Ace Ventura jersey. Pardon me. Well, Jason, gonna get the Finkel there. Those things red. These things actually red. It's a good penny, man. JSA sticker on that one. Alright, and who is Horror? Well, Vincent, gonna get the do-over there, man. Alright, so spot's gonna be Horror. And Woody. Alright, WSD. Gonna be Dog. Sean. Gonna be Hill, folks. It's gonna wrap up that one, guys. We're gonna do our qualifier for the Charlie Sheen framed wild thing. Alright, so Vincent comes out. Dog comes out. Jason comes out. 7 times. And folks, this is for the Charlie Sheen framed Vaughn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Well, Jace gonna get a double qualifier on that one, guys. That is qualifiers 53 and 54. Gonna wrap up that box. We are down to 7 boxes, y'all. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Stop on by and join us at Bobby Two Pops Breaks.